the number one thing I'm focused on right now is StreamYard Connect, again, every Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern on LinkedIn. It's really geared towards people who want to use live streaming for business, for building their personal brand, and keeping them informed of what's going on in the live streaming, podcasting, content creation sphere, as well as how to use the different tools of StreamYard, what updates have come along, what's new, who the people are who are using it effectively, and what they enjoy about using it.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Chetachi and I'm the host of a show called MediaScope where we talk about media tech and pop culture. And we broadcast on several different platforms. Part of our efforts includes StreamYard.
You are the reason that we are using the amazing live streaming platform StreamYard, which has, I know, improved our shows greatly, especially in terms of stability. We were having so many issues with another platform we were using. So
you had this really expensive software to do exactly what you're doing right now. You have each of you and your two co-hosts, you have us in split views. You're able to switch back and forth. You can make Ross big. You can make me the primary. You can easily yes, look at that. Look, you just made me big screen with a touch of the mouse. But all of that you're doing right now is within a browser.
The guys at StreamYard have really nailed WebRTC. You're right. It's a link. I've been doing this a long time. It's a link. You send it to them. People connect. Since we've started using this, I've had no trouble getting anybody to connect in here. So much so now that I think about StreamYard first for everything. I'm like, oh, even if I just want to record an audio conversation, I think I'm going to use StreamYard. I'm going to push it to YouTube as a private link so no one will see it when it goes live. And then I'll pull that video down, strip the audio out, and use it that way. Really, because the connectivity is so easy.
Now, I like StreamYard, and we actually just started using it not too long ago because of the fact that it's so easy for guests to join. We often have guests on, and it's nothing to give them a link, and they can come on and look great and sound great. So that is my favorite thing about StreamYard, the fact that it's so easy to get guests on.
So you're talking about StreamYard having put itself within the elite tools for live streaming to social media in 8 months, 9 months, a year. I mean, it's amazing. If the stability wasn't there, if the quality wasn't there, if it didn't look professional, then none of the bells and whistles would matter. And the fact is, they nailed it. They nailed it when it came to really high quality, easy use, professional looking live streams. Those are their three pillars, and they were self-evident from the very beginning.
I think it's just appropriate that the individual that we have today as our 1-year anniversary guest, not only is, I think, he one of the top live streamers and podcasters around, a man with a heart of gold, but also he's the reason that we are sitting here on StreamYard, and that is the incomparable and also fellow University of Virginia fan, Ross Brand.
So glad you could all be a part of it. I look forward to talking to you throughout the week and seeing you again next week at 2 p.m. Eastern, Wednesday, for StreamYard Connect. Take care, everybody.